Have you ever forgotten to brush your teeth and then you did your entire skincare routine, or you did makeup and then you had to like brush your teeth so carefully so you didn't mess up your makeup or your skincare? Yeah, brush your teeth first. Life hack. And then I'm going to wash my hands, because you wash your hands before you touch your face, right? Now for the actual skincare, I swap between these two face washes, which is African Black Soap and the Garnier Even and Matte Vitamin C Cleanser. Black soap can wash away, so always put it away in a container. I love how foamy the black soap gets, so that's how you know it's going to last a long time, because a little goes a long way. You just need the foam. So this little toner over here is just to add hydration. I won't be continuing once it's done. I'm going to switch over to Uriage thermal water instead. So I use the Skin Functional Dark Mark Management serum with Hyperpigmentation complex. It's got alpha-arbutin, niacinamide, tranexamic acid, kojic acid. It's got all the ingredients that you need to lighten pigmentation. A lot of the products I'm using are very classic, so Eucerin Aquaphor, I'm sure you've heard. It's really good for repairing your barrier and keeping moisture in your skin, and I can tell you a big difference since I've started using it with regards to my barrier. So I am still on the hunt for a sunscreen, SPF 50. I might try a few different ones, but this one I like because it is moisturizing. It's so creamy. I actually love the consistency. The only thing about it is it can sometimes irritate my eyes, so usually I would just put it from the cheeks down so that it doesn't get into my eyes later. But yeah, any suggestions you can put in the comments below, please. And now we're just serving some skin. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will make another video speaking in depth about all the products that we used and why they work for me.